सेहत सुधारने के लिए अच्छी नींद बहुत ज़रूरी है। मौसम करवट ले रहा है, संभव है आपकी नींद का पैटर्न खराब हो गया हो, बार-बार नींद टूट जाती हो, रात में गहरी नींद नहीं ले पाते हो। ये स्थिति गंभीर बीमारियों को आमंत्रण दे सकती है। तो पहले तो ये जानें कि स्लीप आपके लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है? स्लीप बूस्ट इम्यून सिस्टम। Adequate sleep strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illness. Second is it improves memory. Sleep enhances cognitive function, including memory consolidation and learning. खासकर बड़ों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. It enhances mood. Quality sleep reduces stress, it reduces anxiety, it promotes emotional stability and mental well being. So, have a good sleep. It supports heart's health. Sleep helps regulate blood pressure, reduces the risk of heart disease, aids weight management. Proper sleep balances hunger hormones. It reduces the risk of overeating and obesity. तो अगर मोटापा नहीं चाहते हो तो आपको अच्छी नींद लेनी पड़ेगी। छठा इसका फायदा है, इट इंक्रीजेस योर प्रोडक्टिविटी। इट्स अ वेल टेस्टेड मेथड। इट कीप्स इंडिविजुअल्स मोर फोकस्ड, दे बिकम मोर एफिशिएंट एंड प्रोडक्टिव। सातवां फायदा इसका है कि इट प्रमोट्स फिजिकल रिकवरी। स्लीप अलाउज बॉडी टू रिपेयर muscles and tissues, especially the physical activity. It regulates their blood sugar, maintains healthy insulin levels, reduces the risk of diabetes. Sleep reduces inflammation in the body. Inflammation होना जरूरी है बीमारियों से पहले. So adequate sleep lowers the inflammation in the body, which is linked to chronic diseases. Sleep enhances creativity. Sleep improves problem solving skills and creative thinking. 11वां फायदा इसका है, it improves decision making. Restful sleep sharpens judgment and decision making abilities. मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. Sleep reduces the risk of depression and other mental disorders. और बहुत अच्छी बात है कि it increases longevity. Consistent quality sleep is associated with longer lifespan. It boosts athletic performance. Sleep improves coordination, reaction time, and the physical endurance. Balances hormones. Sleep regulates hormones responsible for growth, stress, and appetite. It enhances skin health. Sleep promotes cell regeneration, leading to healthier, glowing skin, even if you are elderly. It reduces the risk of accidents. Being well rested person, you find there's a less likelihood of making errors and accidents. It improves relationship. Better sleep leads to improved emotional regulation and greater communication, loving communication. It supports brain detoxification. During sleep, the brain clears out all toxins that are accumulated during the day. It enhances overall quality of life. Sound sleep contributes to physical, mental, and emotional well being.